A hearty welcome to you all on the FlavourFit YouTube channel. Today we're diving into a delectable topic, foods that not only tantalize your taste buds but also bless you with beautiful skin. As we unravel this culinary tale, expect surprises along the way, so brace yourself as we embark on this flavorful journey into the world of skin-friendly foods. Imagine a peaceful river, home to a school of salmon. These aren't just ordinary fish. They embark on a remarkable journey, swimming upstream, defying the currents, fueled by their nutrient-rich diet. Their diet, an interesting mix of marine plants and smaller fish, is where their secret lies. This diet makes them a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are not just good for the heart, they have other benefits too. And these omega-3 rich salmon hold a secret to glowing skin, but more on that later. Now let's travel to a sun-drenched orchard where avocados bask in the glorious sunlight. Here in this sun-kissed haven, avocados flourish, nourished by the generous warmth of the sun. These buttery fruits are a treasure trove of nutrients, brimming with healthy fats, vitamin E and vitamin C. Their rich, creamy flesh is a testament to their abundant gifts. They are not just a treat for the palate but also a boon for health. These sun-loving avocados, too, hold a secret to radiant skin, a secret we'll reveal soon. Our journey continues to a walnut grove, where the trees hide a crunchy secret. Deep within the hard shells of these nuts, a treasure trove of nutrients awaits. Walnuts are nature's nuggets, packed with essential fatty acids, zinc, vitamin E, selenium, and protein. Each component plays a vital role in our well-being, and not just for our internal health. It's a little-known fact that these humble nuts have properties that are beneficial to our skin. These nutty walnuts, surprisingly, also contribute to a healthy skin, but how? Stay tuned to find out. After this flavorful journey, it's time to uncover the secret these foods hold. You see, the foods we've explored, salmon, avocados, and walnuts, are not just delicious. They're also packed with nutrients that are beneficial for our skin. Omega-rich salmon, for instance, is a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, which help keep the skin moisturized and reduce inflammation. Then we have the sun-loving avocados, a good source of healthy fats, vitamin E and vitamin C. These nutrients contribute to skin health and offer protection against sun damage. And let's not forget the nutty walnuts. These crunchy delights provide essential fatty acids, zinc, vitamin E, selenium, and protein, all vital for maintaining healthy skin. The nutrients found in these foods are nature's way of offering us a beauty treatment that goes beyond the surface, reaching down to the cellular level. But the beauty of these foods doesn't stop at their nutrient content. The act of eating, enjoying, and sharing these foods can also contribute to our overall well-being, which in turn reflects on our skin. After all, beauty is more than just skin deep. So the secret to beautiful skin lies not just in cosmetic products but also in the foods we eat. Subscribe to FlavourFit for more such insightful content.